Hello everybody, Gabriel Durham back again for the 5th video in the Home series, brought to you by the UH Office of Sustainability. Today, we're going to be learning about the different uses of the word organic. It seems pretty simple, but there are two major uses of the word organic that are totally different, and understanding their usage can help you a lot in how you purchase your goods and practice sustainability in your own home. So back in the day, the original definition of organic meant carbon-based. So carbon-based life forms like humans and plants and animals, the majority of our chemical makeup is carbon. We're carbon-based life. And anything with organic chemistry was studying the specific relationships that carbon has with all the other elements on the periodic table. Fast forward to now and you see things like organic farming, which doesn't seem to make a lot of sense at first because everything we're farming is in fact a carbon-based life form. From corn to bees to cotton, all of those are carbon-based life forms. So what makes them organic as opposed to other corn or other bees? So when you see organic on a product as opposed to on a chemistry class, it means that the product used minimal pesticides, fungicides, and other major chemical products that are used in modern agriculture that while they produce safer and more healthy plants, they might have bigger costs down the line. For example, every year there is a major dead zone in the Gulf of Mexico, every single year. And this is caused by the runoff of major fertilizers, inorganic fertilizers, that are used throughout the Mississippi River Basin in America. When those fertilizers wash into the Gulf of Mexico, the fertilizers cause a major algae bloom in the Gulf of Mexico that sucks all the oxygen out of the water and kills everything in it. It's a very intense event that is caused directly by inorganic agriculture. So when you see an organic label on a product, it means they are not using the chemicals that cause those kinds of blooms, that cause those kinds of runoffs of chemicals into the Mississippi River. It also means they're not using particular types of fertilizers that might make a plant grow faster, but they then are better for the surrounding environment. So when you see the word organic on food or agriculture, it means, in long story short, they're doing everything they can to make sure that the environmental cost of that product is as little as possible. Now, that makes things more expensive because things take longer to grow. They require more expensive means of pest management. So the reason your organic produce is more expensive is because you're avoiding other costs down the line. Which leads us to next week's video, which is the triple bottom line, talking about how a lot of the things that we pay for have more costs than just their money costs, just like organic. So stick around to get more about why organic impacts the triple bottom line in a way that's actually saving us all a lot of costs, even though it might be more expensive at the grocery store.